In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and save a OneNote notebook locally on your computer, step by step. This is a great method if you want to keep a notebook saved on your PC instead of storing everything online. And it's also useful if you want a local backup you can access later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the OneNote desktop application on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version of OneNote, since this is the one that gives you the export and local notebook options we need for this process. Once OneNote is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can manage notebooks, create new ones, and export your content. From the menu on the left side, click New. This is where you'll choose how and where the new notebook will be created. After that, select this PC. Choosing this PC tells OneNote that you want to create the notebook locally on your computer instead of saving it to a cloud location. Now you'll see a box where you can type a name for your notebook. Enter a clear notebook name so you can easily find it later. A good name helps keep your notes organized, especially if you plan to create more than one notebook. Once the name is entered, click Create Notebook. OneNote will now set up the notebook on your local machine. After the notebook has been created, the next step is to export it so you can save a local copy in a file format you can store wherever you want. To do that, click File again, then choose Export. In the Export menu, under Export Current, select Notebook. This makes sure you are exporting the entire notebook rather than just a section or a page. Next, under Select Format, choose OneNotePKG, which is the .1pkg format. This format is designed for exporting and transferring OneNote notebooks, and it makes it easy to store the notebook locally or move it to another device later. After selecting the format, click Export. OneNote will then ask you to choose a local folder on your computer. Pick the folder where you want to save the notebook package, such as Documents, Desktop, or any other folder you use for backups. Once you choose the location, save the file there, and that's it. You've now created a OneNote notebook and saved it locally on your computer. This is a simple but very useful workflow if you want more control over your notes or you want to keep an offline backup. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.